In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to picture reflection in Excel. If you've ever wanted your images in Excel to look a bit more polished, or to stand out on a dashboard or report, adding a reflection is a quick way to get a professional finish without leaving your spreadsheet. Start by selecting the image you want to enhance. Simply click the picture on your worksheet. You'll know it's selected when you see the sizing handles around the edges. This also activates the Picture Format tab on the ribbon, which is where all the styling tools live. If you don't see that tab right away, make sure you've actually clicked the image itself and not a cell nearby. With the picture selected, head to the ribbon and open the Picture Format tab. Look for the Picture Effects button in the Picture Styles group. This is a drop-down that controls visual effects like shadows, glows, bevels, and of course, reflections. Click Picture Effects to open the list of available effect categories. From that list, choose Reflection. Hovering over Reflection will open a gallery of preset options. As you move your mouse over each preset, Excel will show a live preview on your selected image, so you can see exactly how it will look before you commit. This makes it easy to compare choices without a lot of back and forth. Finally, pick the reflection effect that best matches your layout. You'll typically see options that vary by intensity and distance, such as subtle, medium, or strong reflections, with the reflection positioned close to the image or slightly farther away. For dashboards and dense reports, a light, subtle reflection usually looks clean and avoids distracting from your data. For title pages or visual summaries, a stronger reflection can add a bold, modern touch. Keep an eye on readability. If your picture includes important text or logos, a heavy reflection can sometimes make things look cluttered. A few quick tips as you choose. The preview on screen is your friend. Use it to judge how the reflection interacts with grid lines, cell fills, or nearby charts. Consider the background color of your sheet. Reflections appear more noticeable against darker fills and more understated on white. If you're planning to print, remember that reflections can look different on paper than on screen, so it's smart to glance at Print Preview to confirm the look. And that's all there is to it. Click the picture, open Picture Effects, choose Reflection, and select the preset you like. With just a few clicks, your images will have a refined, professional finish right inside Excel.